Welcome to EdbMails Office 365 Migration, a complete step-by-step guide. EdbMails Office 365 Migration software is a simple and secure software for your Office 365 migration requirement. EdbMails guarantees a secure migration by employing modern authentication methods, including SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Certified with ISO and compliant with GDPR and HIPAA, EdbMails ensures that your data remains secure. EdbMails boosts Office 365 migration performance with support of concurrent mailbox migration, incremental migration with ability to automatically manage Office 365 throttling enhances overall migration speed. From start to completion, follow the steps for a smooth migration of your mailboxes using EdbMails. Step 1. Download and install EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Step 2. Launch EdbMails and connect to Source Office 365 server. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Office 365 to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required migration operation. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Connect to target Office 365 server. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required migration operation. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. Step 4. Map source and target mailboxes. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Step 5. Start Office 365 to Office 365 migration. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.